Elder abuse is a topic of grave concern here in Florida and nationwide. Our elderly citizens are often our most vulnerable. There are laws in place to protect the elderly against abuse from strangers, neighbors, and even family. Our guest today knows the topic well. Kate Wakeman is with the Elder Center of Kearson and Fuller. Good morning and welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. I just want to, I'm glad you're here because there's so many questions about how we can protect our elderly. So first, what is elder abuse?
So elder abuse has an umbrella of about 3 different types of abuse. First, there's abuse, which is acts or threatened acts against the elder. That's physical or emotional abuse. So thinking restraining the elder, not feeding the elder, things like that, your typical physical abuse. Then there is neglect, which is an omission or a failure to act or to provide services to the elder. There's no need to have an intent to do harm. So oftentimes a family member may be providing services to the elder and have to work out of the home, leaving the elder unattended for long periods of time. The elder gets out or falls and breaks a hip. The caregiver can actually be held liable for elder neglect. Then there's elder exploitation, which is knowingly or attempting to gain access to the elder's funds for someone's benefit other than the elder. You often hear of scams with roofing and air conditioner replacements, people taking advantage of elders knowing that they may not know everything that they need to know about a certain topic. Often computer scams, you hear about people calling elders saying your Microsoft system is down, wire us this much money and we'll take care of it for you. So it's just using the elder's funds to the detriment of the elder.
Right. What laws are in place to protect elders?
So there are both criminal and civil laws in place to protect elders. Chapter 825 of the Florida statutes, particularly Section 825.1035, provides for an injunction for protection from elder abuse and exploitation, and that you do not need an attorney, and a loved one or even the elder themselves, if they know they're at imminent risk of being exploited, they are able to petition the court and seek an injunction, so protection from the person who is doing the exploitating, and they can seek a court order to not allow contact with the exploiter, to temporarily freeze the assets of the elder and the credit lines of the elder if they know that someone is taking money from the elder or they are at risk from being exploited.
Who are typically the people who are reporting it? Because as you said, a lot of times the elders are not in a position to do so. Is it normally a family member or a caseworker?
So it can be a family member, it can be a neighbor. If there's no family members in town, let's say the neighbor knows the elder more so and they think something's off, they can report it. Really anyone can report it using the Department of Children and Families, Adult Protective Services, their website function, as well as their elder abuse hotline number, so anyone can do it. Sometimes there's guardians in place or an agent who has a durable power of attorney for the elder. If they see something going on, they're always able to report that abuse or potential abuse or exploitation.
Thank you. Are there just quickly documents, so if you had to name the top 3 documents that someone should have for their elder?
Right, so that would be a durable power of attorney. So that would be you naming somebody to help you handle your affairs, your property, so particularly your finances, your home. So that is somebody that would be able to help you with those matters. There's also voluntary guardianship. So if the elder wants a little bit of help managing their property, they can petition the court to have a guardian appointed to help manage their property. And then there's traditional guardianship, in which case the ward is found to be incapacitated and a guardian is appointed to help them handle either their personal affairs, so think residential or healthcare decisions, and then also property decisions.
Whew, that's so important to know. Thank you so much for coming and spending time to share with us this morning, Kate.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Remember to keep your elder loved ones safe from abuse and mistreatment, and don't be afraid to reach out for help and to ask questions.